Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add border to a fillable text field using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF as my PDF file I have already opened and click this from option. Here we will find this text field option. Click here this text field tools and draw your text field area and click right button for properties. Here we will show this outline color, this means border, no border. I'll choose this pink border and line thickness thick, this border already visible. Also you can add fill color and now click close and click hand option, yes, and type text, this is, and this is your border already shown. And finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.